Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful makeup look which I've created. It's a very pretty versatile makeup look with pink eyes and nude lips. I really love how this look turned out. This makeup look is perfect for the wedding guest and you can wear this makeup look in wedding, functions, parties. I wear a traditional suit with this look, but you can obviously rock this makeup look with western wear as well. And I've used mostly drugstore and affordable makeup products to create this look. So now without further ado, let's see how I created this makeup look. So firstly, I'm using Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer and I'm just taking a little bit of primer onto my fingertips, rubbing it between my fingers and then applying it onto my face and gently massaging it into my skin. So it's a gel based primer which helps in filling up all the open pores and fine lines, and it will also help in preparing that sticky base for the perfect foundation application. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 140 Golden Beige. And I'm just taking few pumps of this foundation on the back of my hand and then using a beauty blender to just apply and blend this foundation into my skin. So what I really love about this foundation is that it's super weightless. You will feel almost nothing onto your skin. It's a super weightless foundation, but it gives awesome coverage. It's a medium to buildable coverage foundation. You can make it full coverage as well. And this foundation also stays onto your skin all day long, giving you that natural finish, which I absolutely love. Now I'm using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW04, that is beige. And I'm just applying this concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin area and as well as on the center of the forehead. And after applying it, I'm just using that same beauty blender to just buff it all out. So this concealer is one of my favorites. It's super creamy and just glides onto your skin really beautifully and also blends into your skin really quickly. It also helps in hiding your dark circles and just brightens up your skin really well. So I really like this concealer. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 130 Buff Beige, and I'm applying a good layer of this compact powder on all the areas where I've applied the concealer so that the concealer could set properly. And I'm using the powder puff which comes with the compact powder only to just set all the concealed areas. And now I'm using this powder brush and I'm applying this compact powder all over my face to just set my entire face. Now I'm using this Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm mostly going to be using it around the circumference of my face and hollows of my cheeks and to chisel my jawline as well as my nose. Now I'm using this MAC blush in the shade Gingerly and I'm applying right on the apples of my cheeks and blending it all this through. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Rose Quartz highlighter. It's a very beautiful highlighter with gold and pink sheen to it. And I'm just using a highlighter brush to just highlight my highest points of my face, like my cheekbone area, bridge of my nose, center of the forehead, cupid's bow, and a little bit onto my chin area as well. Now let's move on to the eyes, and firstly I'm just going to prime my eyelids using that same concealer which we have used earlier, that next one, and I'm just applying a little bit onto my eyelids and then using that same beauty blender, I'm just blending it out. And now for the brows, I'm using this Ultimate Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to shape as well as fill in my eyebrows with this brow pencil. So the best thing about this eyebrow pencil is that it has spoolie on other end and the pencil to just fill in the brows on one end, and it's super convenient to use. And secondly, the pigmentation of this eyebrow pencil is supremely great. I really love to use this on a daily basis. It's quite pigmented, which helps in filling up all these sparse areas and to just nicely giving a fuller look to my brows. Now I'm using this NK Makeup Eyeshadow palette in the shade Poison Apple. This palette is supremely pigmented and it's very affordable as well. So firstly I'm using this bright pink color, and I'm using this color as a transition shade, and I'm using a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying it just above my crease area and blending it all this through, and I'm slowly and gradually building up the intensity of this shade until I'm happy with the intensity. Now I'm using this bright red color, which is also kind of mix of pink and red, and I'm just applying it onto my crease area, and I'm firstly just patting this color with a small blending brush onto my crease and then gently buffing it out. I'm just kind of making a transition over there like hues of pink and red, which makes a really good combination, and I'm just going to build up the color until I'm happy with the intensity. Now again I'm using that same NYX concealer, and I'm using this to cut my crease. And after cutting the crease, I'm using this deep pink color, which is also sort of magenta shade, and I'm using it to deepen the outer view of my eye. All the shades in this palette are supremely pigmented. I really love this palette a lot, and this palette also have few more variants which are also supremely affordable. So you can really check this brand out if you want really nice pigmented eyeshadow palettes under such a good price. Now I'm just taking this cream shade on a flat brush, and I'm just using it to set my concealer with which I've cut the crease. So I'm just applying this shade on my cut crease area. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just applying this liquid eyeshadow onto my cut crease area just to give it a very beautiful subtle highlighting glow to it. Now I'm using this magenta shade onto my lower lash line, and I'm using this shade to deepen the outer edges of my lower lash line. And now I'm again using this bright pink shade, and I'm using this shade to brighten up the inner portion of my lower lash line. Now I'm using this color bar eyeliner, and I'm applying a basic normal winged eyeliner with it. And again I'm using this highlighter, and I'm using it to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone area. And now I'm firstly curling up my lashes with an eyelash curler. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and I'm applying a thick coat of mascara onto my lower as well as my upper lashes. And now I'm applying the false lashes to just give this eye look more edgy look. But if you don't want to apply the false lashes, then you can obviously skip it. And now my eye makeup is done, and now let's move on to the lips. And for the lips, I'm firstly using this Makeup Revolution lipstick. And after applying this Makeup Revolution lipstick, I'm topping it up with this Physician Formula lipstick. And now lastly, I'm using this Makeup Revolution fixing spray and I'm just spraying it all over my face just to set this makeup look. And yeah, that's it for this makeup look. I really love how this whole makeup look turned out. It's a really beautiful makeup look for weddings, functions, parties, or even for your intimate wedding, which is really trendy nowadays. So it's a really versatile makeup look which you can wear with a lot of outfits. And I wore this really beautiful pastel green suit which has pink flowers onto it. And that's why I've done the pink eyes just to match it up a bit. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you like this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.